So there is a company called PerListen. It is an audio brand that is really trying to push the envelope in audio technology. They have announced new speaker lineup, and these speakers are very unique because they will be the first ever speaker that would achieve the THX Dominators certification. The specs certification for THX Dominators is the best THX has ever made to certify speakers and subwoofers that can cover a very large area and while still producing a massive output with almost inaudible distortion. So PerListen, they are launching their new full range speakers. They are designed to meet the THX Dominators performance class. They are trying to, when the THX Dominators was announced, it was more or less like a dig or pretty much like a way to compete with the IMAX certification. IMAX has always, right from time, been one of the most powerful audio performance you can get. Be the one you install in your home or get IMAX installed in your home, or the one you experience in theater. I'm not talking of Dolby Atmos now. I'm talking of like raw power, raw impact, raw sound output. You really look at IMAX, and THX have been trying to push that envelope, and now you have this. So the speaker lineup starts with their flagship S7t tower speaker and their D212 subwoofer. Their 4 feet tall S7t is coming with a 1.1-inch tweeter. It's coming with a beam forming array pattern pending waveguide designed to control the vertical and horizontal dispersion of sound. Each tweeter pretty much has absorption chamber to reduce the internal reflection. It's very nice in its frequency response as it goes down to 80 hertz and scales up very well to 20 kilohertz. The speaker has a very much powerful bass response. That's as it has a bass reflex that goes down to 22 hertz. Depending on the way you tune it, it can either go down 22 hertz or 32 hertz. Down the THX Dominators requirement is to give you a total harmonic distortion of 0.5 dB at listening level of 19 decibels. So it is going to be almost like an inaudible distortion, and it really can play crazy loud. So price is not cheap. It's $7,000 for one speaker, so pretty much $14,000 for two. There are other ones that they launched, like the R5t tower, which is a three-way smaller brother of the S7t. You have the S7c center speaker, and the subwoofer that I have talked about. So it's that Dominatus certification is just for you to get almost 120 decibels while keeping the distortion to the barest minimum. Now, I don't know whether this would compete with 14 plus $1,000 speakers in that same price range. I don't know that very well because most people that will buy this actually just want power. So that's just the truth of the matter. It's for people that actually want more power that would go for this. Then finally, the subwoofer comes with a 3000 watts smart amp in it, has a 32-bit DSP processor there. It's coming with EQ present, the 10 EQ presents for each of the subwoofer. So it has your balanced and unbalanced inputs. You get very good setup. Price for the S7t starts from $3,500. And sorry, this S7t is $14,000 for a pair. Then the subwoofer is actually $5,500. So that's just the crazy price tag for it. So that is it. You can check out PerListen's website to see whether you can find dealers that can ship you one if you want to buy from them. Do subscribe to our channel, do like our content, follow our social media. I'm going to see you guys next time.